You're so cute. Oh, so cute. Look what these suckers done to me. Bad!
No, taking over my body.
If you take over my body, I'll make sure your cute little face gets blown off. I'm just kidding. You're a bad boy like the rest of them. Come on, let's twist your neck. Oh, I'm just kidding. How about y'all guys? Are y'all alright?
Yeah, I'm camping out with my friend back here. Actually, he's my brother, I think. No, my cousin. Let me check. Yeah, he's my brother. Hey, can I join in? No, I'm just gonna watch y'all anyway. Hey, I'm gonna take a nap. Me too. What about you? I'm going about my business. You have a weird freaking laugh.
What? Hey, baby, what you doing? You're preparing for the world to end? What you preparing for? I'm preparing for the dogs to take over the world. Oh, I'm not sure if we have any dogs outside. I have an inside dog. How is it, big or small or decent? Big. What's it called? Old English sheepdog. Yeah. What up? You want to see? But it's a nice one. I think there's some coyotes that come out here. Hey, what are you doing? That's not right. That's just not right.